So you received your Xploris. Let's get it unboxed. Within each box, you're going to find, on the top layer, your Xploris device itself. This will come in a nice little piece of plastic for safety and shipping. And to power it on, you simply press the power button on the bottom of it. When it's done playing its happy welcome music, it'll start cycling through different animations, and you can press the little paintbrush button here to see what they are. Or you can actually have it tell different sensors. Now the sensors themselves are located here on the back, so just open that up and allow it to sense the environment around you. Now it'll get real-time data on all of its various sensors: light, distance, temperature, and sound. Now, if you are noticing that this is in Celsius and in centimeters, but would rather it be in imperial units, you simply press and hold the power button to turn it back off, and then press the paintbrush button, hold it, and now press the power button. Now when I go in, you notice I'm now in Fahrenheit and in inches. All right, that's the basic device. Still in the box, you will find a online training course. So use this coupon code here to activate your online training course. And on the back, curriculum access, so you can find all the good lesson plans available for this product as well. And then as I keep going through the box, I'm going to find a lanyard so I can wear it around my neck, a charging cable if I don't want to charge it in the 6-pack charging tray. And then I also have a temperature probe and banana cables and little attachments for said banana cables so I can do experiments with batteries and circuits and things like that. That's everything in the box. Now beyond that, the only other thing to know is in the software itself, you're going to download and open up XploriLab on a compatible device, and then to connect your device to it, go into the Bluetooth menu just by clicking on that icon, and then look at the number on the bottom of your Xploris to see which one you have. Select it, it'll think for a second, and then it will connect wirelessly, just heard it say connected, to your device so you can start using any of the different environments here available to you in the software. Thanks for watching, and have a great time getting to know your brand new tool.